All right, guys, so we are here in front of TJ Maxx. We're going to see if they have any new hygiene products that we can grab. I'm actually not needing anything, but I wanted to see if I can find like a brown sugar, cocoa buttery shower. Let's see, scrub. I can't even get it out. All right, so let's go in and let's find out what they got. Hey guys, so we are doing a quick shop with me here at TJ Maxx. So I wanted to give you guys a heads up to show you what they have right now during the summer, just in case you guys are looking for new hygiene products. Now this right here, strawberry milkshake from Philosophy, definitely caught my eye because I hadn't seen it. Let me know if you guys have seen that at your local TJ Maxx or even from Philosophy. If you saw my Ulta Beauty summer deals, I got the Campari during their summer deals, but I was definitely surprised to start seeing those because I haven't seen that in TJ Maxx at all. They definitely have a variety of hygiene. Here we have Soap and Glory. Soap and Glory, this is the smooth line smoke. Soap and Glory usually is a brand that you can find at Ulta, and that's usually where I get it. But it's good to see that TJ Maxx has that here because I haven't seen that scent here before, if that makes any sense. So if you haven't noticed in your TJ Maxx, they do have the items or hygiene products in color coordination, which I love. But this is another brand there, Philosophy. If you love Philosophy and you want them at a cheaper price, you definitely want to check those out at TJ Maxx instead, because you are definitely going to get those clearance or a lower price than you would get even at Ulta. And this is Body Prescriptions. Body Prescriptions, don't sleep on Body Prescriptions. They give you a lot of products for a cheaper price. Body Prescription, I believe the last one I got was a body scrub. That one did me fine. So I would definitely recommend it if you see that. Now Cetaphil, if you saw my shop with me from Costco, definitely go check that out if you missed it. But Cetaphil, they do have it at Costco. But if you don't have a Costco membership, TJ Maxx is another place that surprisingly does sell Cetaphil too. What I would say, just a suggestion, I would definitely give yourself some time when shopping at TJ Maxx, because sometimes there are things in the back of products that are not in color coordination, so people will hide things, and you can find some good products in the back of the items as well. But I was like coming in here really quickly. I actually got a wooden stool for my bedroom, but I wanted to check out to give you guys a new shop with me from TJ Maxx because I hadn't done one in a while. So they also always have great huge bottles for your hair. So if you're looking for hair products to try, definitely check out their hair section. They have Honey Pot. You guys know Honey Pot is an organic company for your hygiene products, also for your private area. But yeah, they definitely have a great variety. I would just say take your time. Don't go in there with a rush like I had to do that day. So that's why this video is a little bit short of what I normally would do, but I just wanted to share it with you guys. They were had a lot of product on a cart, so it seemed like they were moving things around, but I just wanted to share with you guys. And this is, like I said, that's their hair product section. And then here, this section is where you would find like the face mask, hair mask, foot mask. That's that area there. Let me see what else. And these are all the hair products. So they have like shea moisture, not butter, shea moisture. You have curly hair. They have a lot of curly hair products. There again, Philosophy. They had a berry scented one. Like I said, a lot if you catch them. They also always have like seasonal products too. But yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys. They also have some good products if you're looking for pajamas. I know that's not hygiene related, but my daughter and I have always gotten our PJs from there. So if you're looking for some reasonably priced PJs, TJ Maxx is always a good place to go look around. Oh, right here. Now, if you love decor, not decor, I almost said Home Depot, but if you love home decor, definitely go shop at TJ Maxx. Also, TJ Maxx is basically a sister to Home Goods. So if you don't have a Home Goods near you, you can definitely find some products from TJ Maxx there as well. Like I told you guys, I was on the hunt at this day for a wooden stool. So this is what I was actually looking for. And actually, I'm gonna take a pause so you guys can take a look here as well, so you can see me live during my hunt of my wooden stool. But I just wanted to give you guys a little view of the products that are at my TJ Maxx, just in case if you guys are on the hunt for some home decor. This is definitely just take a step back and just see what they have in store. So I'm gonna pause the talking so you guys can take a look to see what's new at my TJ Maxx. Okay, so this is where I had to make the executive decision of which wooden stool did I want to take into my home. So I ended up getting the wooden stool here that has the wooden top and the black legs. That is going to match with my home decor. My bed, all the furniture in my room is black, and I just usually add the accents to the bed just to give it some color. So yeah, that is my executive decision making here. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick shop with me video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss another video. Have a good day, guys.